Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to see what you've shared on Google Maps. This is really useful if you want to review your contributions, manage your reviews, or simply see how much you've helped improve the map for others. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to google.com/maps. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar Google Maps interface. Now, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the menu icon. It's usually represented by three horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a side panel with various options for navigating different features of Google Maps. From the menu that appears, click on your contributions. This is your personal hub for everything you've added, edited, or shared on Google Maps. Once you're here, you'll notice several tabs at the top, including Contribute, Reviews, Photos, Edits, and Answers. Each of these tabs shows a different aspect of your activity on the platform, so let's walk through what each one contains. Let's start with the Contribute tab. This is essentially your main dashboard. Here, Google Maps will show you personalized suggestions based on places you visited or areas you frequent. You might see prompts like add missing places, write reviews, upload photos, or answer questions. It's designed to encourage you to keep contributing and help others discover places around you. Next, click on the Reviews tab. This section contains all the ratings and written reviews you've made for different places. You'll see your star ratings, which range from 1 to 5 stars, along with any written feedback you've provided. The great thing about this tab is that you can edit or delete your reviews anytime if you want to update your opinion or remove something. Keep in mind that these reviews are public unless your profile is restricted, and they play a big role in helping others decide where to go. Now move over to the Photos tab. This is where everything you've uploaded visually lives. You'll see photos of places you've visited like food, interiors, storefronts, or even videos if you've uploaded any. One cool feature here is that you can see view counts, which tells you how many people have actually looked at your images. This is often where contributors get the most visibility because photos are heavily used by people searching for places on Google Maps. After that, click on the Edits tab. This shows all the changes you've suggested to improve the map itself. Maybe you fixed a business name, updated operating hours, added a missing location, or reported a closure. Each of your edits will have a status next to it. Some will be marked as approved, meaning they've gone live on Maps. Others might be pending, still waiting for review, or not applied if Google didn't accept the suggestion. Finally, let's check out the Answers tab. These are your responses to quick questions about places. You've probably seen these before, questions like, is this place wheelchair accessible, or is there parking available? They're usually yes or no, or multiple choice. These quick answers help build useful facts for places without requiring a full review, and they're incredibly helpful for people looking for specific information fast. And that's it. You now know exactly how to see and manage everything you've shared on Google Maps, from reviews and photos to edits and quick answers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.